Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add a drop down menu. So what drop down menu should look like? It should look like something like that. There is the normal menu, which is something like that. It has nothing there, but the drop down menu is something like that, with like a main menu which is a main page and secondary page under it. So how you can do it? So it's pretty simple. Go ahead and open your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there put your username and password and this page will be open for you. Now go ahead and go to your pages and let's create, for example, 4 pages. Let's create T1, publish. Let's create a new T2, publish, and I guess we will be done with T3. T3 is enough for us for this tutorial, so we don't make it so long for you guys. Now after we've done these 3 methods, what we have to do is basically you can do it, for example, from here and customize menu, create a new menu, and from here we can, for example, T menu and add it on every menu, for example, something like that. And here you can add items like T1, T2, T3, and these should be something like that, and we will be done after we click on publish. So here is T1, T2, T3. There's the other way to do it, which is going to your dashboard, go into templates, and from here, or appearance, and from here you go to menus and you create a new menu by doing the same thing, which is create a new menu, add a name, create menu, and you add here T1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and you do the same steps, which is doing something like that, and you save menus just like so. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually create your drop down menu. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.